welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is Air Jordan 5 that was dropped last week. So my son cupped this. Anyway, let's go and then open this up and then show you guys what the shoes look like. Oh my god. What is going on? Stick on there or what? Oh. I'm not sure what's going on. There's like a special glue or something. Let me try the top side. Yeah, unfortunately on the bottom and they have extra glue. I can't even open it up. So I gotta open from the top. Wow, look at that. Make sure there's no invoice in there. Holy, look at that, man. Nice. So I'm gonna give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. Like always, you got the Jumpman logo on the top. Got the Nike swoosh and then the Air. So the box is kind of crushed on this side. Not sure why. There's like a two indentation. Check out the bottom. So you got the Jumpman logo right here, like always. Got the Nike swoosh, Nike swoosh, and then the word swoosh, Nike swoosh Air, Nike Air. Okay, and then you got the recycle symbol right here. There's another crease right here, pretty bad. Oh yeah, I show you guys the size label real quick. Alright, so look at the barcode right there. This is Air Jordan 5 Retro 136027 500. It's a grape ice, new emerald black, and this is a size 12.5. Euro size is 47, UK is 11.5. There's your QR code, and this pair is made in China. Retail price on this is $190. So let's go ahead and then open this up since you guys already get a peek of it already. And then there's a stamp right here, 041120N2. Let's go ahead and then take this out. Wow, look at this. Smells glue. So there's it's like a rubber right here. It's got this nice turquoise with the black on the midsole. And you got this like a blue ice clear. There's your Jamin logo right there. And then a Jordan in the midsection right here. It's nice purple color. And then there's your airbags, see-through. So this is like a plastic right here. Doesn't feel like rubber. Like a hard plastic. And it's like a RPU or a TPU material. Wow, look at this clear lace system right here. And you got the Jamin logo right here. Okay. You got the Jamin right there on the top of the tongue. All right. And then you got the black lace. Also on the midsection of the tongue, you got those rubber material right there as well. And this one's kind of like a rubber. But right there, the Jamin is on stitching. And then on the back of the heel cup, you got this black Jamin with the embroidery on there. Going to open this up. And you got the Air Jordan box logo that's upside down. Let me turn on the flash, although this one's pretty tight. And resale, I'm not going to open it up. Alright, here it goes. Men's size 12.5 stickers on there. And then on the inner sole is, on the insole it is turquoise color. Try and look at the size label for you guys to see. Yeah, this one is pretty snug. I don't want to open it up. So it's kind of weird that they don't have the Nike tissue paper, just like a black plastic. And then there's no logo on there, so this one's kind of messed up right there. And then you can see a little glue. And then this side, there's a Jumpman logo on there. Let me check on this side. Did I miss it? Oh, my bad. There's a Jumpman right there as well. And again, you got the upside down Air Jordan box logo right there. Trying to see where's the size labels at. So this is to loosen up the lace by pressing this button. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I don't see the size label at all. Put this back. Well, there you go, guys. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in the comments down below and see if you guys cop this pair or not. Thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.